and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we are going to be unboxing and bagging, so to say, my Ipsy original glam bag, whatever they call it now, for January 2025. And this is what the bag looks like. Oops, something fell out. It is kind of a blue-gray and kind of a faux leather looking thing right here. It's just kind of the zipper pull is just kind of a standard issue zipper pull, and I don't know, it's kind of a boring bag, if I gotta say so myself. It's not really, it's big, it's a big bag, but it's just not that, I don't know, it's just not that special, I gotta say. I'm gonna take all the stuff out of here. Okay. I can't really remember, but this is what it looks like. And the year to, yes, that is what we are looking at. January 2026. Did I say 2025? I meant 2026. This is your year to say yes to it all, experimenting with new eye looks, swiping on a fresh lip color, testing out the hottest new brand. No pressure, no perfection, just the joy of trying something new. Okay, and then we have all the items that I have. It comes with 5 deluxe size, and I think there's one full-size product in here. Let us talk about that first. It is from e.l.f. It is the e.l.f. Cosmetics Pout Cloud Lip Plumping Pen in Pinky Out. This all-in-one lip plumper gloss and balm drenches lips in a sheer wash of color and shine while plumping the appearance of lips with an invigorating tingle. The juicy non-sticky formula is infused with blueberry, watermelon, and pomegranate extracts. Okay, so that is what it looks like. It is, what was the shade name? The shade name is Pinky Out. Okay, so that is what it looks like. Let's take some of those clicky uppy things. Let's take a swatch here. Okay, I do have some lip product on already, but let's put this over that. Feels nice and hydrating. I do like how that feels. Put this over here with my lip products. Or over here. Okay, you're not gonna stand up? Fine. Lean then. Okay. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, what do we got next? From Girlactic, the 2-in-1 Luminous Tint Foundation. Okay. Okay, we've got this here. Okay, but it is sealed up. So we've got to open it up here. Okay. Okay, how hard are you going to be to open that? Okay, you're not going to be hard at all. Okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, cool. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, this Get Ready for the Next Level Glow. This tint helps to hydrate and blur imperfections for a fresh, dewy finish that lets your real skin shine through, infused with squalane, and supports moisture and gives your complexion that bouncy lip from within vibe. Okay, what it is in F1 Fair. Okay, this is what it looks like right here. Okay. Okay, that looks like it would be a good match for me. looks like it would be a good match for me. I don't know if I will be testing foundations in wintertime though. I'm going to put it over here with my foundations though. And we'll probably try it when the weather gets a little less dry. A little less dry. Actually, I'm going to put it in the bag because I'm going to be doing a video where I'm trying out, I'm going to put this pout cloud lip plumping thing in there too, because I'm going to be doing a video where I'm going to be trying out all of the a bunch of the stuff that I got from Ipsy clan bags. And so that will be coming later on probably in the springtime. Okay, now next we have the Tatcha, something with Tatcha, Meet Tatcha's, this longevity serum. This, I think, I don't remember what I picked, but this is the Tatcha longevity serum. Okay, Meet Tatcha's newest innovation, a multitasking serum that visibly firms, smooths, and strengthens, powered by one of those new words I can't pronounce, and adenosine and Tatcha's proprietary ingredients. It helps reduce aging cells and support skin's natural resilience for a plumper, more collagen-rich appearance. Okay. It's in a very tiny little bottle. So I'll be interested in using that. Probably something I won't repurchase, but it'll be something interesting to try. Where did I put? Okay. I was about to say, where did my trash go? There's my trash over here. Okay, then we have from Real Her a highlighter. Okay. Okay, this is going to take a second to open. I'm sorry, I had to destroy the box. Real Her. The Real Her highlighter in Pure Resolve. This silky oh, that looks pretty. Look at that. Look at that. Pan embossing. Ooh. This silky champagne toned highlighter melts effortlessly. Ooh, it feels nice too. Into skin, delivering a radiant glow that enhances your features without ever looking overdone. It's your go-to for achieving a natural, luminous, sculpted look. Ooh, I love a champagne highlighter. Oh, look at that. Without ever looking overdone, it's your go-to for achieving a natural, luminous, sculpted look that lasts all day. Oh my gosh. I might need to try this on now. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautimous. Beautimous. Oh, I love that. Okay. Okay. And this might have been the item that I chose. Okay. This needs to be opened. Okay. Hold, please. Okay, what is this? This might have been what I chose. This is the Ipsy Fresh Phase Primer. This weightless aloe vera infused primer helps blur pores and boost your makeup staying power for a smoother, more refined finish. Okay, so this is a primer. Okay, my nails are way too long to be taken off that seal. So anyways, we have a primer here. So those are the 5 items that I got in here. The Galactic 2-in-1 Luminous Tint Foundation in F1 Fair, the e.l.f. Cosmetics Pout Clouds Lip Plumping Pen in Pinky Out, the Tatcha Longevity Serum, the Ipsy Fresh Phase Primer, and the Real Her highlighter. I think I got a really good bag this time. I would definitely give this one a 5 out of 5 for sure, because I liked all the items in here. Yeah, so the MSRP of the full-size version of the Galactic is $32. The e.l.f. Pout Clouds is $9. The full size of the Longevity Serum would be $80. A full size of the Phase Primer would be $25. And the full size of the highlighter would be $21. So that's what we're looking at for that. So yeah, I think this was a really good bag. I am very happy with it. Yeah. That's the first 5 out of 5 I've gotten in a long time. In a very long time. I'm very happy with this bag. I'd probably take a half a point. If I was rating the bag along with it, I would take a half a point off of the bag, but I'm just rating the items in the bag. So 5 out of 5. I like all the items in the bag. But if we're rating the bag with the items, I would take a half a point off of the bag. So yeah, that is how I would rate everything. So let me know if you got this Ipsy original. I still call it the glam bag, the Ipsy original bag. Did we get any of the same products? Did we get all the same products? Are we bag twins? What did you pick as your item of choice? This is the only Ipsy bag that I get. I don't get the, I'm not sure what the others are called anymore. I don't get the Glam Bag Plus or the BoxyCharm or the Icon anymore. But yeah, this is the only one that I get, and I think it's super fun. And yeah, just let me know what you got, and all the if you got any add-ons or anything like that, let me know down in the comments. Please give this a thumbs up if you liked it, sending you out all of those good vibes. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Do all the YouTube things, share, do the notifications, all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, take care. Goodbye.